Ride into history. Celebrate 150 years of Colorado and 250 years of the United States aboard one of America's most historic railroads. For 2 days only, July 31st and August 1st, 2026. Ride behind coal-fired steam locomotive number 168 on the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad, departing from Antonito, Colorado, on rails laid just years after Colorado became a state. Climb aboard for mountain views, open-air gondola photography, onboard history ambassadors, and exclusive commemorative gifts included with every ticket. This is more than a train ride. It's Colorado history in motion. Seats are limited. Book now with the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad.